Welcome to Newspresso. Here is the top story in the past 6 hours. Ever noticed a massive gray blip hovering over the Golden Gate Bridge lately? Most people thought it was a Goodyear blimp, but it was actually the Pathfinder 1, a brand new kind of airship that's been taking the Bay Area by storm. The Pathfinder 1 is a real heavyweight, feet long, 66 feet wide, which makes it almost twice the length of a typical Goodyear blimp. Unlike the usual gas-filled blimps that drift around for advertising or entertainment, the Pathfinder is a rigid, semi-rigid airship built with modern carbon fiber frames, electric motors, and sophisticated fly-by-wire controls. LTA research proves lighter-than-air machines fly. They fly safely and efficiently, too. In May, the team flew the Pathfinder safely. It flew Moffett Federal Airfield's airspace. The next step was a series of tethered tests. They were conducted at a field in Mountain View. Last month, the company received permission. It will test longer untethered routes. The routes will cross the San Francisco Bay. Response: modern society places great value on physical health. However, there are two ways to achieve good health. A well-maintained body is one. Healthy habits and exercise form the other. Society emphasizes a healthy body. In the same way, the brain is a vital organ. It is central to our emotional and intellectual well-being. The brain functions as a complex organ. It comprises a network of specialized cells. The brain, in turn, is composed of different regions. These regions are responsible for the functions of the body. The brain performs as the primary regulatory center. It manages the functioning of the body. Additionally, the brain serves as a critical hub. It integrates sensory information and plays a vital role in motor control. The human brain can be examined by its parts. The brain can be divided into multiple systems. It contains a large number of neurons. Neurons are fundamental. Neurons facilitate communication. The nervous system includes brain and spinal cord. It functions as the body's communication system. The nervous system regulates bodily functions. It also controls movements. The brain plays a pivotal role. It receives signals from the body. The brain integrates these signals. It triggers the appropriate response. The brain is a sophisticated control unit. It coordinates nervous system functions. J. Gordon Leishman Embry Riddle points. Historically, airships have a tarnished reputation. 1937 Hindenburg disaster, a hydrogen-filled airship. It caught fire. Despite those hurdles, potential benefits are compelling. They can travel long distances without runways. They use less fuel than helicopters or planes. Medical supply ship hovers over disaster zone. Cargo vessel reaches remote communities. Pathfinder pilots aim to show airships are tools. They hope the tests prove successful. Industry may shift to gentle, low-fuel vehicles. We're building a large ship. We're calling it a floating supermarket. We're building it for $400,000 a unit. This is a prototype, not a final model. Our goal is to be more affordable than a container ship. Question 1 scene: are you planning to build this? If so, question 2: is it a commercial enterprise? We're hoping the cost makes it more affordable. We're hoping that if we're able to scale the design to multiple units, it could be as efficient as a container ship. It carries 10 million cubic meters of cargo. It carries 25 tons per 24 hours. We'll need more to know about the logistics. What are the pros and cons of the current design? The cost of building the design is a concern. The cost of maintaining it would be a concern. The big question is, will the price be low? If so, what price would make this viable? Would a 100 km/h speed be affordable? I want to know price would make it competitive. The Pathfinder 1 story underscores the promise. It highlights challenges, reviving lighter than air travel. In a world that still relies on aircraft, and ground logistics remain essential. Subscribe Newspresso. Never miss a major global headline.